Welcome to Verdosome's instructional video for the COVID pod collection process. Your COVID pod collection materials will come in a silver foil package. Tear open the package at the top and remove the contents. Write your name and today's date on the foil pouch. Save the pouch for later. When you're done collecting saliva, you'll use this package to send your sample back to Verdosome. Inside the package are the following items. A clear-handled collector. The white absorbent pad at the end of this is used to collect saliva. There's a sample indicator in the middle of the device. A red dot will appear here when you've collected enough saliva. Note that this device may be a choking hazard. Use with caution, especially with children, and do not use unsupervised. There's a large tube that will be used to extract saliva from the absorbent pad. And there's a mini tube, which is where the saliva will be collected for shipping to us. Your mini tube may come pre-filled with a small amount of liquid. If you see any liquid, it should remain in the tube to keep the saliva fresh during shipment. Do not drink or discard this liquid. Open the mini tube, being careful not to spill any liquid that may already be there. Attach the mini tube to the large tube. While you do this, allow saliva to pool in your mouth. Do not swallow the saliva that gathers there. Place the white absorbent tip of the clear-handled collector into the pool of saliva that's formed in your mouth. Allow the saliva to saturate the pad. Keep it there until the sample indicator changes from white to fully red. The dot will be completely red when you've gathered enough saliva to test. If it's not completely red, it's not ready yet. You can remove the absorbent pad from your mouth from time to time to briefly check. It usually only takes about 1 to 5 minutes to complete gathering enough saliva. Hold the large tube upright and insert the absorbent end of the clear-handled collector into the large tube. Using the clear handle, push downwards to squeeze saliva from the absorbent pad into the mini tube. Push and hold for 30 seconds. Gently remove the mini tube from the large tube, being careful not to spill any of the contents. Snap the end of the mini tube shut. Then place the closed mini tube into the silver foil pouch to return to Verdosome.